Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your finances and start saving money? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 easy minimalist habits that can help you save money and simplify your life. Habit 1. Cut out unnecessary subscriptions. Are you tired of spending money on things you don't even use? It's time to cut out those unnecessary subscriptions. Think about all the subscriptions you have. Do you really use that gym membership every month? Are you actually reading all those magazines you're subscribed to? Chances are you have a few subscriptions that are just taking up space in your wallet. So let's do some spring cleaning and cancel those subscriptions that aren't giving you value. Not only will you save some cash, but you'll also declutter your life and simplify your expenses. And the best part? It's super easy to do. Just go through your bank statements and see what subscriptions you're paying for. If you don't use it or need it, it's time to say goodbye. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save by just cutting out a few unnecessary subscriptions. Habit 2. Shop secondhand. Ready to save some cash and be more eco-friendly at the same time. Look further than secondhand shopping. Gone are the days of scouring through musty thrift stores, hoping to find a hidden gem. Nowadays, there are so many options for finding gently used items at great prices. Whether it's hitting up local yard sales or browsing online marketplaces, the possibilities are endless. Not only can shopping secondhand save you money on everything from clothing to home decor, but it's also better for the environment. Instead of contributing to the fast fashion industry or buying new items that will eventually end up in a landfill, secondhand shopping helps extend the lifespan of existing products. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the treasures you can find. Plus, you'll be able to save some cash and feel good about doing your part to reduce waste. It's a win-win. Habit 3. Use a budgeting app. Are you tired of feeling like you're always one paycheck away from financial disaster? It's time to take control of your money with a budgeting app. Gone are the days of scribbling expenses on a piece of paper and hoping for the best. Budgeting apps make it easy to track your spending and identify areas where you might be overspending. With just a few taps on your phone, you can see exactly where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Plus, there are so many great budgeting apps to choose from. Whether you're looking for something super simple or something more advanced, there's an app out there for you. Some popular options include Mint, You Need a Budget, and Pocketbook. So don't wait any longer. Get a budgeting app and start taking control of your finances. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to save money when you can see exactly where it's going. Habit 4. Cut down on eating out. Who doesn't love the convenience of grabbing a quick meal at a restaurant or fast food joint? But let's be real, eating out can get expensive, especially if you're doing it multiple times a week. That's why it's a good idea to cut down on eating out and start cooking more at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the opportunity to be more creative with your meals and know exactly what ingredients are going into your food. Plus, it's easier than you might think to start cooking at home more often. Try meal planning and cooking in bulk to save time and money. Or take advantage of meal delivery services that provide easy, follow recipes and pre-measured ingredients. So why not give it a try? You might find that you actually enjoy cooking and saving money at the same time. Who knows? You might even discover a hidden talent for creating delicious meals. Habit 5. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Before we get to that, I would like to introduce the sponsor of this video, the Frugal Living Handbook. Our comprehensive ebook covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost cutting, and much more. Order our ebook via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. Now let's get back into the video. Are you tired of making impulsive purchases that leave your wallet feeling empty? It's time to take control of your shopping habits with a simple tool, a shopping list. Making a list before you head to the store can help you stay focused and avoid buying things you don't really need. Plus, it's a great way to make sure you don't forget any essentials. But the key to making a shopping list really work is sticking to it. That means no succumbing to those tempting end caps or impulse buys at the checkout. Trust us, your wallet and your clutter. Free home will thank you. So next time you need to hit the store, take a few minutes to make a list and stick to it. You might be surprised at how much money you can save by just being a little more mindful of your purchases. Happy shopping? Habit 6. Cancel unnecessary streaming services. With so many streaming services available, it's easy to get sucked into subscribing to multiple ones. But all those monthly fees can add up quickly. That's why it's a good idea to evaluate which streaming services are actually worth keeping. Are you really watching all the shows and movies offered by each service? If not, it might be time to cancel the ones you're not getting much value from. And the best part? Canceling a streaming service is super easy to do. Just log into your account and look for the cancellation option. It's as simple as that. So don't wait any longer. Take control of your monthly expenses and cancel those unnecessary streaming services. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save by just keeping the ones that you actually use. Happy streaming. Habit 7. Use cash instead of credit cards. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Are you tired of racking up credit card debt without even realizing it? It's time to switch to the old-fashioned method of paying with cash. Using cash can help prevent overspending because it's more tangible than swiping a card. When you physically hand over bills or coins, you're more likely to be mindful of how much you're spending. Plus, it's easier to stick to a budget when you're using cash because you can only spend what you have. So next time you're out shopping, try leaving your cards at home and only bringing a certain amount of cash with you. You might be surprised at how much easier it is to stick to your budget and save money. Plus, using cash has the added bonus of being more secure than using a credit card. With all the data breaches and identity theft out there, it's nice to have a payment method that doesn't leave a digital trail. So give it a try. You might find that using cash is a simple and effective way to save money and protect your personal information. Habit 8. Shop sales and use coupons. Who doesn't love a good deal? If you're looking to save some cash, it's time to start shopping sales and using coupons. Timing is everything when it comes to shopping. By waiting for sales and using coupons, you can save a significant amount of money on everything from groceries to clothing. There are plenty of ways to find sales and coupons too. You can subscribe to store emails to get notified of special deals. Use apps like Honey or Retailminot to find discounts, or just keep an eye out for sale signs and coupons in store flyers. And don't forget about the old-fashioned method of using coupons from the Sunday newspaper. It might take a little extra effort, but it can definitely pay off. Habit 9. Repair and reuse instead of replacing. Are you tired of constantly replacing broken or worn-out items? It's time to start repairing and reusing instead of constantly buying new stuff. Not only is repairing and reusing better for the environment, it can also save you a significant amount of money. Instead of buying a new item every time something breaks or wears out, try fixing it or finding a way to make it work. Plus, it's easier than you might think to get into the habit of repairing and reusing. You can learn basic repair skills. There are tons of online tutorials and classes available, or you can take broken items to a professional for repair. And when it comes to reusing items, get creative. Don't be afraid to repurpose something for a different use or upcycle it into something new and different. Habit 8. Invest in quality over quantity. Are you tired of constantly replacing cheap, low-quality items? It's time to start investing in quality over quantity. Yes, it might be tempting to save a few bucks by buying the cheapest option available, but in the long run, it's usually more cost-effective to invest in higher quality items that will last longer and need fewer repairs. So how do you find high-quality items? Look for durability and long-term value. Consider the cost per use. If you'll be using an item a lot, it might be worth it to spend a little more upfront to get something that will hold up over time. And don't be afraid to pay a little more for items that are made with sustainable materials or produced ethically. Not only will you be getting a higher quality product, but you'll also be supporting companies that are doing their part to make a positive impact on the world. But the journey doesn't end here. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.